Hi guys, and thanks for joining me again for another Facebook Live video. Sorry about the funny eyebrow. So we're going to go through one of our new LawMate products today. You've been asking for it, so we finally got some in, our bug detectors. So this is the RD-10 from LawMate. There is a slightly more advanced RD-30 that we do as well. But for today's exercise, I just want to show you how efficient these could be at picking up a wireless camera device in your home. So if you have your suspicions about a particular vent and or air conditioning duct and you feel like you're being watched, this bug detector is able to find that for you. What I would suggest before you go and search for any bug, definitely don't do it in a warehouse. For starters, definitely find a home to do it in and lock it down to a particular area that you think it could be, because if there's a new clock added, if there's a particular vent, anything that you think is an area where a camera could be, that's where you want to search. The first thing you want to do if you're searching a home is turn off the power to your house, so that way any wireless camera automatically powers on its battery and you can eliminate any other devices. What you also want to do is turn off your mobile phone, because that can also interfere with the bug detector. So I don't have mine on me, so we should be fine. A couple of the features on the unit is you've got a switch at the top for a vibration. Then you have a IR detector, so you can actually use the IR lights on the back of it to flash and find a hidden camera. And then you've got your sensitivity levels. So for today's exercise, we're going to extend the antenna out of the side of it, just like R2-D2. We're going to turn it on low sensitivity, and it's going to vibrate in my hand for a little while, and it'll stop vibrating. Now. And we're going to move over to this cabinet over here, which is already detecting it. So there's a little DIY camera hang up just here, and if we get within the vicinity of it fairly quickly, it'll trigger and it'll start vibrating. So it's vibrating in there. Continually vibrating. I don't know if you're picking it up on the camera and hearing it, but it's constantly going off. So these are good at finding it. I can put it up here and it's not going to do anything. It's not vibrating at all. I can leave it there for as long as I want and it's not going to vibrate. Well, there it will because it's close. But if I put it up here, we're good. See that? Live video. I'm freewheeling here.
There we go. We got a viewer.
But it's not.
We've got a viewer.
It's not moving. So it's up there, it's not vibrating. If I move it down to the next level again, I might pick it up. We'll see. There we go. So that's how effective it can be. As I said, these LawMate products are available now. I'll get that back down from up there. They're available now. This is the RD-10. It's available on our website. Check them out. Go to the spystore.com.au. Like us on Facebook. It's picking up again. Anyway, guys, I'll see you next week. Thanks for joining us.